Hi guys, welcome back to the new Xd tutorial. Today we are going to design this very nice hamburger to page animation using only Adobe Xd Auto Animate. So let's get started. What we are going to need is our website. We will use only single artboard and we will place over multiple pages in one artboard to create this very nice page to hamburger to page animation. As I already designed this, as you can see it's a pasteboard. What we need to do is select our artboard and create our artboard right that size, and it will fix our group or page into the artboard automatically. What's next is let's duplicate this artboard once. Come back to this one and create a rectangle of size 482 width and 126 height. Remove border and add the background color to black. At the right corner, put it at the right corner. Add text, it's our home page, and font we are using is Josephine Sans and 60 pixels regular. Let's center it out and make a group of this, and we call it link home and put it in our home group. So now it's a part of our home page. Copy this home group we created and paste this into our about page. Change it to about and change its name to link about and put it in our about section. Let's come back to our main page. This is our main page. We need to create a hamburger menu, and this will be a nice radius of around 50, I think. Yep, it's good. Change the color from white to this. It's nice. Duplicate it around 3 times with the difference in between 8 of pixel. Select all, make a group and make it small. That's fine. Select this one, make it small a little from this side and much more from this side. Now our hamburger menu is almost ready. Yep, it's ready now. Let's place it there. It is looking very nice. What we need to do next is select our about pages. Make sure it's not in the artboard. You can see it's a pasteboard. Select this one and paste it right there. And about this is our services. It all will be adjusted in the artboard automatically. Let's add our facts page too. It's ready. What we need to do next is duplicate it once more. Place it right there. Now you need to make it over. Sorry. Select these all. Put it right there. Reduce the opacity. This is our home page. Now select this artboard once more. Select the about page and put it right in center. Facts and services page, write it there. Move the opacity to 0. One more time, duplicate it. Now select the about page, put it at its position. Select the service and put it also above page, above the about page. Facts will go there and remove the opacity. For facts, we need to duplicate it once more. And this time we will choose our pages right there. Put this one also there, and this will also come here. Let's rename it to facts. A services page, about page, home page, menu page, main page, essential landing, main page. Now it's ready. Let's prototype it. Select our hamburger. It will take us to our menu pages. Type will be auto animate. Menu page is in 0.3 seconds will be good. And if we select our home page, it will take us back to our home page. And for about page, for services, take us to our, sorry, I'll put it on. Let's zoom out a little bit. Our services, and for facts, our facts page. Now we need to do one more thing, is we also make the animation to go back to our menu page. What we can do is select our facts and take it back to our menu. Do the same for all other pages. Okay, it's ready. Select our main page, make it home, and let's play. Hamburger, home, about, and facts. Home, take us back to home. I'm sure you like this video. If you like, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want me to create more of these, make sure you leave your comments and give your suggestion how we can make it more better. It's my first time with voiceover. Your feedback will be appreciated a lot. Follow me on Instagram. I started interaction design patterns for Android and for iOS. We will study material design for Android and human interface design for iOS in detail. Make sure you check it out. It will teach you a lot. Goodbye. Fearless.